Welcome to another episode of the Huge Podcast. The Huge Podcast, and I told you I was off.
Welcome everyone. What's up, everybody?
What's up?
What's
man?
up? What's up?
We're joined by Rail. Is that how you say your name, bro?
Yeah, real. Just say real, like really.
Real.
Real.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's cool.
Nice.
And how do you say your name? Is
Fontanosa.
that it's
Real.
Is it Mac Real?
No,
Like
it's
Mac
MC
Miller
Real.
or what? MC Real.
Yeah, kaya the NWA dude, the backup of katong sa time ni Ice Cube, like the replacement. MC
Yeah.
Ren.
Okay.
Yan ang
Okay.
MC
Okay.
Real. Ano,
Dude,
yeah, man.
slow down
Alright,
with
alright.
these references.
Yeah.
We're old. Ice Cube is from our generation, but anyway, like we can talk music all day. What's up, man? What's going on in Cebu? What's going on with you?
Life's been really good, and like I'm trying to be productive again, cause recently like starting COVID, I started to become a freelancer. I was a freelancer back then. Like I do
Oh.
animations, I sell art and stuff. That's like my side hustle kind of thing.
Ooh.
Oh, then
Oh,
bro,
nice.
then I started to, cause before you can perform and stuff. You know what I mean? That was really dope. Then when COVID hit, it's kind of boring. You know what I mean? You start
Yeah.
to like have other
Yeah,
stuff you want to do. You venture. You know what I mean? I actually did like the cookies, but like the
I saw
video,
that
you know what I mean?
4 a.m. 4 a.m.
Yeah,
song.
yeah, with my
Dude,
girlfriend.
that
Yeah,
was
and
dope.
Daisy. Well, one of the animators here in Cebu. Yeah, basically. Yeah, I have my cat here.
Oh, nice. Oh, Mike
Yeah.
here's a cat person, man. Like,
Yeah.
A
Oh,
cat
dude.
fishing.
Mike loves the cat, or the other word
Yeah.
for cat.
Cat fishing. I love cats. I love cats.
Bro. Of course, man.
Like real cats, literal cats.
Yeah, they're dope. Oh, what do you mean? Oh, okay.
No, like real cats. Furry.
Ah.
The one you're
Yeah,
holding. No,
I was
don't
thinking
get me
of
wrong, dude.
different things.
Yeah. I know
Nah.
what you're
No-
thinking.
nothing
Mike
subliminal
here is
there,
thinking the
bro.
same thing. It's
That's
the
why, man.
subliminal thinking what Mike is thinking.
But I got you though. I got you to think that way.
Of
It
course.
works.
Yeah.
Do you prefer cats over dogs?
Where we at,
Yeah.
like where I
Yeah.
live, there are like 10 dogs like here. Then
Oh,
they
okay.
roughly killed, honestly, like
Whoa.
12 cats. Yeah.
Oh, shame on
Then-
those dogs.
Yeah, then-
Shame on them.
Shame on the dogs. Yeah, and we only have like 3 cats left right now, so it's kind of sad.
Oh,
But it's like it's my responsibility. Like how I can prolong much better. You know what I mean?
I love this
Yeah.
warm up, man. Like, it's nice to warm up. Like, we have a gap.
man.
That like, how old are you?
I'm 20, bro.
Shit, I
Okay.
feel so old. I feel so old, dude. Like,
No, how old are you? How old are you?
We're 12 years apart. Just let's put it that way.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, man. Derrick Rose
Um,
is still balling. He's 32. You know what I mean? Like he's still
oh hell
ongoing,
yeah.
diba?
Oh
Like,
hell yeah. Trey cooked them up.
diba? Young kids, diba?
Yeah, that's what you are, man. We are the D Rose and you're the Trey Youngs here. And thanks for reaching out. Like, it's so left field. Like, like who would have thought? And
No.
we noticed that song of yours from that your collaboration with ASP Mayor.
Oh, yeah.
That was some dope animation, man. Other than music, you do animations too. Like, how cool
Yeah,
is
man.
that to be able to make music and do videos at the same time? Like, it's rare.
Oh, yeah. That was a solo project thing, and he needed it like 2 weeks, and you can't animate for shit for 2
Yeah.
weeks. It really,
Yep.
like,
Really?
6 months, diba? So it's kind of hard. Then but I squeeze it as much as I can. So, because usually when you have like animation, it's always by twos or by ones. It's like you make it moving. You know what I mean? But I just made it
Yeah.
like this one and this frame and this frame. Like it's more, you know what I mean?
Stop
It's like
motion,
lesser
like?
frames, lesser
Yeah.
frames. So more
Lesser
more
frame.
progress. Yeah. So 2 weeks can be more. You know,
Like how many frames per second was your? Because the standard one is 24, right? The
24 for movies. Yeah.
yeah
Well,
for
like
movies.
you
Yeah.
can go like 12 or something. It depends on you.
Ah, okay.
Well, like,
Oh,
Depends on
really?
you.
Ambot na, di ko sure. Basta sa Naruto, kay maybe it depends on really on the scenes, kay. In Naruto, like there are some parts katong fight ni. You watch Naruto, right?
Uh,
Come on, G.
Dragon Ball. Yeah.
a bit, like a bit.
I,
Nah. But yeah, if you know the reference, we can talk about it. But it's like
Yeah,
we can still
you
continue
go,
with other
man.
stuff.
Like,
Sasuke
no, no,
and
dude.
all
This
the
go.
other guys. Like I can't name them all though. And that serpent
No,
guy. That's all I know, man.
yeah, but yeah,
And
it's
these
okay.
and these animals, these foxes, these
Oh yeah.
frogs.
Yeah, it's more, yeah, if you dig deep in the story, it's kind of different. But I'm here to point out the animation. Like it's different when the animator was in 2003 than it was in 2011 above. You know what I mean?
Really,
Yeah, like it's different stuff. Yeah, like
it
you
is.
can tell.
And I've seen them grow too. Like, do you also see your animation, your skills did that grow as well? Like from the first ever animation you did to
Yeah,
the recent one you did now, like Running Wild. You did that one, right? Like,
I did.
talk about your growth on that one, man.
Honestly, I never wanted to be an animator. First of all, I'm a procrastinator and I really work with work. You know what I
Aren't
mean?
we
So
all?
aren't we all, right? It's like we
Yeah.
like to work now, like, because it's animation is really boring as well. You know what I mean? My girlfriend helped me really a lot because she knows how to do After Effects. If you know After
Okay.
Effects, Adobe stuff, that's big stuff. Yeah, you work for projects on cookies. That's a lot. That's big. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Stuff like that. But yeah, that's how it got started. Like you grow and you connect with artists. Yeah, we started with artists first. Like we connect. Like you want to have a lyric video. It depends on what they want. If they want,
And
like,
that's
yeah,
what's clicking nowadays. Visualizers. Like, I've
yeah,
I've seen this song
Every
from
every
Trippy
yeah,
Red,
everything.
Trippy Red,
yeah,
and I'm sorry, bro, Trippy Red and Playboy Carti. This
yeah.
other what song? Like they had two lyric videos
Miscourage.
before. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, that one. Two lyric videos before the
bro.
official video came out.
Yeah.
What? What
It's for
for?
that. It's
I
for the
bet you
hype,
like,
man. You gotta
yeah,
you gotta hype it up. It's like the semi. It's like what most artists do. What I noticed is like they release the lyric video and like a month after, or like let's say 2 weeks
true.
after they release
Yeah,
the official video. Like,
Nice.
I think it's the trend now, man. And the
It
lyric
is.
video is where you like, uh,
mm,
grabe ka intense ang graphics, dude. Like
yeah. Usually,
especially,
Yeah.
yeah.
yeah, usually.
Build hype pa. Then yeah, that's where I failed. I made Running Wild. I thought that was it. I thought that would spark. But you would follow up after like a music video after, right? But
Yeah.
then yeah, we grew smarter. We grow older. We think smarter as a musician. Diba? So right now, I'm having a music video upcoming. I
It's
don't
all
know about like,
planned.
yeah,
Yeah.
like it's like you have
I
to
like it.
like strategize stuff.
Yes,
You can't
not
just
good
like
strategy when you know, especially now, man. Like in the age of social media where everything
yeah,
is too much
definitely.
information, everything's visualized, man.
Yeah.
You gotta be
It's
like
got
Jake Paul, man. You gotta like
Oh,
freaking
yeah,
be
give,
fucking
Yeah.
crazy.
that's why
Yeah.
we give credits to those people. But like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude.
They
Like,
they
Mayweather,
they
mad
do the
like,
respect.
work.
yeah,
Mad
They do the
respect.
Mayweather.
work.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man. So it's like
YouTubers making 100 mils, like I mean, like
Yeah. And
selling out a million pay-per-views
that's why
than boxers who like
like the real
really
boxers,
dedicate.
like
Yeah, yeah.
who
it's
usually
like
like
It just shows where the power of the YouTubers, man. The power of like
yeah,
media, the power of social media. And yeah, man, live times are changing, man. MTV's dead, right?
yep.
yeah, sadly.
The
Yeah,
middleman is dead, and
yeah.
Yeah,
you got
for me, it's kind of good, man. Like TBH, because it's like it helps artists like me, like kind of have my own audience.
Yeah,
Ba. We
platform.
don't
Yeah,
really
yeah,
need like certain
and
audience
it
from
yes,
MTV.
and it helps podcasts like us where you
Yeah,
come
right.
and then do your pitch or media kit, and
That's
like
why
share our network together. I
StreamYard,
like it.
like, dude, this shit's big. Like I thought we're gonna go
Yeah,
like Google Meet and you're gonna live stream some stuff, but this really paved the way for like podcasts became more
really.
accessible. But
Yeah,
like,
I've seen a lot of people
super,
use
super.
StreamYard, but I really like that you approached us. Is this a new way? Like, is this like normal now, the new norm where you, like the artist, get to be your own like agent, get to be your own marketing, like, you know, you
ako,
do your own reps, reaching out to us podcasts and who
I
else?
think I think it's a matter of humbling yourself, but like in the first place, how would you get there if like you don't reach out someone, diba? Like
True.
these type of talks, like kanang it will help you get there. You know what I mean? You guys are two people, but it can
Yeah,
go bigger, diba? Like I
y-
don't need someone who can help me, then I'll just sleep tonight and like not like think about like you know what I mean? like this stock gani can help us get there, diba? Like, you know what I mean? It's like
Yeah, by
100.
we have to reach out. Like it's not
I
like a
love,
artist
man.
thing
I love
and
that
we're
mindset, man. Like
doing
it's what's lacking from our generation, Mike.
Yeah,
We didn't have that, like, because
we didn't have that.
um
innocently.
we felt inferior. We felt inferior
Yeah,
to the other artists before. Like me and Mike, we were a
True.
fan of like the music scene. Then we looked up to these guys, and we always, um, if we were given the chance to talk to them, we feel like we give them super high praise that we forget
that's right.
about like
Us,
we
like
it's like forgot about us. And that's the thing, what I noticed about the today's generation. Like everyone's collaborating, everyone's trying to
Right.
improve themselves, everyone's making like collabs and producing this new kind of sound,
That's
producing
right.
this new kind of artwork, and it's very good. It killed MTV because before the medium was MTV. If you were played in
Oh yeah.
MTV, like man, bay
mix
kita ko sa
channel
inyong
V.
video bay namo sa new artist of the month ani request inyong song sa MTV's most wanted request. There was a show about that
Wait,
before.
oh mix thing.
Yeah, no, in MTV, I remember when I was growing up, there was this
Oh, okay, okay.
MTV show. There was a segment there, like an hour show, where people send mail their requests.
Please play the tune Julie Tear Jerky for me and my baby Marcy. Hi Marcy. Hi baby. What's up baby? Thanks again.
To the
Oh,
VJ. Then the VJ will play
play the
will play
song
the song there.
and
Then usually
That's
the
why.
mail takes around like 3 months before it reaches the
oh,
MTV headquarters, man.
Oh,
and
That's how long it is.
the hype died down already.
Ay,
Like
the hype
shit.
that now, like unlike now, by just send me the link, by ako bahala.
Yeah,
oh gani.
Boom,
So
kalat
na
diretso.
pindi ra gyud sa paghago. So
yeah,
unsa
And
and
unsa.
you know
logistics.
it's easy to
Any,
distribute your material right now. Like it's man, you got these tools, man.
yeah. Ang basically ang internet ang may ang nagpa-advance gid sa atong like process of waiting. Wala na yung kaayo delayed gratification ba. It's because of the
Yeah.
internet. It
And
made it more
and
accessible. It made it
and now,
more,
man, it's speed. It's a game about speed. It's still about the
yeah,
marathon
speed.
game,
Yeah.
like being able to show up every day. But now it's
It's a
like
different game.
speed,
Speed
man.
goodbye.
Yeah,
Speed.
everything.
Fast.
Yeah, kay every day pila gito ka songs gani ma release gani sa Spotify alone. Like it's like
By daghan by like
that's why
super.
daghan na
It's
gid kayo
being
like
there's everyone's getting good. Everyone's getting better. Everyone like
yeah.
is like producing their own sound. Everyone's getting really better. That's all
That's
I
why.
can say. Especially now in the golden age of, that you can say that OPR,
Talk.
original Pinoy rap, by it's like
Yeah.
Yeah.
by it's really growing. Everyone's
Right.
sounding really good.
Talking about OPR, we got OPR right here in our screen. We got
MC
Real
Real.
on the show, everyone.
Yeah.
And I know
Shout
why you
out,
came
man.
here, man. I know why you're here. Yeah, you want to promote your song.
Yeah.
And it's about time, right?
It's about time, yeah.
Love it. Why name it Time, man?
I needed time because like actually the song was about like it's like when quarantine was so like can you say bad words here on stream?
Yeah, this is that
Yeah,
podcast,
Diba,
bro.
like and it's been so shit gani like the entire quarantine. It's like you haven't felt like a emotional connection, like physical connection with someone, but and it's like been a while like you've been with a girl, but so it's like it's kind of different if it's like how can I make time when it's like you can't even run across the other side of like and it's ECQ ba, diba? We're in the middle of ECQ,
Yeah.
like it's very hard and shit. So like we're gonna ba doing time with MCREL. So it's like for you, I really make sure I gotta make time. Yeah, you know what I mean? Diba?
Yeah,
Yeah,
nice.
dude. The sense
So
is
this
there.
is a romantic song then.
It's more of romantic because like the purpose how I see rap, it's more of like you just say any shit you want, like
Yeah.
literally with no context good, but it's like the point is
Agree.
there. You make
And that's
sure
what
you make time.
and that's what the old heads are saying nowadays. Like, oh, this mumble rappers. What do you have to say about that, man?
Really bro, kay actually bro, nibalik kato old issue na gito na mumble rap right now. Well, I think rappers right now are going back into bars na gid ba. Especially like if you listen to like the recent one kana mga sila Polo G, daga nag mga inspiration karon bro, especially like mga US hip hop karon balik. Di balik na gid sila rap gid karon. There was a time when autotune was cool and stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, stop.
Gives away like ana gani how you can reach there like an Asian guy like me gani like who
Rich
can't make it.
Chiga.
Wala, di ba like possible kay ba may nana good. So like, if you just really work hard a bit, you know what I mean? So like
And you do work hard, man. Like I've seen it. Like, can I play a video here? Like you've even done a TikTok for this, man.
Make sure that I gotta make time, yeah. Then I hit it from the back, you know you gotta relax, yeah. Sipping gin, riding beam, I'll be smoking on the pack, yeah.
Who does not work hard if he doesn't go in TikTok? Like seriously.
And dancing on the roof, man. That's hard.
How
work,
hard
dude.
was that?
How hard was that, man?
Importante yun. Especially right now, it's the visual age. Like people
Yeah,
don't
dude, yeah.
fucking read. Everyone don't. They just like you saw like there's a video like YouTube now. Like people right now, they just scan stuff, but they don't really care about reading stuff. They just like to scan stuff. Like so when they see you
Visually.
dancing, it makes you feel like you know what I mean. Like oh, this guy's dancing. But it's like if it's really a boring topic, they'll just scroll down. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
It's like grabe karon
They
nga,
won't-
but it's like yeah.
But shout out to this guy who's always commenting here. He's a regular here. Like Dress,
hell yeah.
Shout out Tress.
Stress.
Cats, Manic Mundane also has the same music entitled Time. Time really resonates with everyone, man.
Everyone does.
Time.
Especially
Even
right now.
Pink Floyd. Yeah, there's many songs like named after the word time, right? Like,
Yeah.
can you name one popular song?
Actually,
That
no,
that's-
I'm not a very. Oh, ikaw, can you name one? Like,
I just know that there's a Pink Floyd one. That's all I know. The time.
yeah,
Time.
yeah, I know.
Or I think Michael Jackson as a word as a song time. I don't know. I'm not really sure.
Cyndi Lauper, I think. Time After Time.
Time after
That's all
time, right?
That's all. Oh, that's
Alright.
classic, man.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. So see, like, and time is a valuable thing, according to Linkin Park, right? In the end,
yeah,
I'm really confused now with like time. I know like everybody talks about time as a currency. Time is your value. Time is like very, it's valuable than money. Is it bad if we like really value time as in like we worship it like money? Like you're a slave to time. Like your schedule is like cramped up with, like you have a full tight schedule because you value time so much, and basically you don't have any time for yourself anymore.
that's part of the time management, man. You make time for yourself. You make time for your work. You make time to balance everything. That's the work. Like, dude, it can be like if you look at time as a work because it doesn't make it fun. The value of time for me, on my own perspective, is that time is valuable because you can never get it back.
get it back.
Yeah.
You can never get it back we only move forward. So yeah. So if
like,
you look,
so there's
if you-
only a perspective like if you choose to be a slave of time.
yeah,
True.
it's all about your perspective on time. What is your perspective on time, Mike? Let me ask you.
Idle time.
Idle time.
Idle time. Like, you can have all the time in the world, man, and you just have to choose whether you spend it productively.
Yeah.
I like to
True,
see, I like to, a lot of people will not agree that how I spend my time is productive, but I'd like to think what I do here is productive. It's going to lead me to the next one, man. Like spending time here with MCREL. I got it right already. Yeah,
Yeah.
MCREL.
real.
You drop it down, real, yeah.
Yeah,
That one too.
Real.
Let's go.
for real. Like spending
Yeah,
time with
for
you,
real.
man. I know it's going to. I know it's productive. It's going to lead me to the next one. Doesn't matter who, like
Yeah.
anyone who watches this, he gets the message about time.
That's
right?
why.
Yeah.
And at least we're having fun, That's
Oh yeah, are you having fun? Like you're hanging out with old old dudes, man.
Dude,
Like,
No,
age doesn't
I
matter,
know,
man.
but
Like
it doesn't
I,
matter.
I, ju- I just,
you're the one who's
I
like
want to,
making a big
Yeah,
thing about this.
it's only you, bro.
I
It's only
will make
you,
a big
dude.
thing. No, I will make a big thing about this
Is
because
it
it's
because of their
different.
beard game? Is it because of
No,
their
no,
beard game?
Yeah.
doesn't have anything to do with the beard.
Ah,
Like MC Real can have a beard, and he's as young as that. But my point is, like, what's it like hanging out with younger dudes and older dudes?
For
make,
me, we
Yeah,
share perspective of things, Baka. At the end of the day, like they always say like it's like age is like something you're right because you're older, you must respect me, diba? But like we have different perspective of things. Good, it's like it's nice to share perspective of how you felt sports back then, or how you felt music back then, or how I
yeah,
felt music now. Ana gani, like those are the
yeah,
stuff nga I want to talk about. Kay at the end of the day, it's not my life, it's everyone's life. Said bang murag I want to talk about, you know what I mean, or we want to talk about. Kay fuck age, you know what I mean, we're living on a role playing
yeah,
game,
love it.
you know what I mean. Yeah, it's like
Yeah,
oh yeah.
I feel younger
yeah,
already. Thanks,
yeah. Me
man.
too, dude. Like, it's a different like a breather because like I remember one of our few guests we have the young guns as well, right, man? Like
Make us feel young,
and
right?
and you
That's
make
why.
us feel like really old. It's maybe because of the questions what we ask them. That
Yeah,
made the it's how we handle the situation. But since we have MC Real here,
Yeah.
yeah, he has a different take about age. I feel so comfortable and young, man. Thanks for
yeah,
that,
man.
man.
I mean, it's good to
This is the
have.
fountain of youth right here, talking to younger people.
Come on, man. We're doing
So,
a yeah. That's why. That's a bro.
so what's up in how's Cebu, man? Like, what do you do in your free time? Like,
As of
when you're
now,
not
what's up?
making music, what do you do?
Currently, kuan ko ba kanang co-animator ko with my girlfriend. Me and my girlfriend, we're
Nice.
like a partnership yun ba, like animation. Like
Damn,
for
so
example,
rare.
dili anag nagrabay.
Hey, rare Shabay. It's a gem. Yeah.
Yeah, you must like keep it prolonged, but like you can't abuse it. You know what I mean? Kay sayang ba, diba? Like we worked with Midnasty, cookies, na gani. Those type of stuff.
Mid-nasties, those
Mm.
guys.
Oh, na may
Nice.
project recently. Yeah, I mean before that was like 2019, like project with Midnasty and stuff. So yeah, like dugay na gimi nga no nagwork ba. Then after this quarantine, like we can consider this now, like after quarantine, gani, I formed a fucking team. I mean, not me, but like nako amigo si Dave. He's like he does like freelancing stuff for what do you call this? Like kanang mga photography, kanang
Yeah.
Yeah,
weddings and stuff. Ana gani. I was like,
media
you know what?
team, like
Yeah,
something like
media
that.
team ba? Duo sila ba si Kent Versinas, and then we merged up and we became like a production team ba. He's basically a director ba. So na nagi direction. Malisod man gud bro tong doha rami sa with my girlfriend
Bye.
Diana. I forgot to mention. Yeah,
Kapoy ka na. Yeah, yeah.
I mean it's okay. It's like it's fun. You know what I mean? Like that's a journey. Like content creation ba.
Yes,
So
kayo, bay. It's
This
fun.
guy used to work in a prod house. He knows what the grind is like. It burns you out, right?
wait, may I
Like,
know what you do? Like anang kwan?
Yeah, I was a sige, background. I studied film in CSB in LaSalle.
Ah,
Then I worked as a offline video editor for some production company. Then I also did some freelancing
oh,
stuff. Then I also did some shot then shoot. Before that was way before, but yeah, but
that's nice.
it's a
That's like
lifetime ago.
it's an
lingaw sila
experience. Yeah,
experience ba, di ba? Like lingaw ra siya. Pero were you happy though? Like kanang you reach your 30s,
maybe
like, yeah,
no.
was it fun?
I did it in my early 20s, and I
Mm.
think it burnt me out by when I reached age 25. Fuck,
Kaya
burnout ko
naman.
ba?
Kaya naman.
It burned me out because I didn't like the projects that I was getting. It was mostly TV shows,
Mm,
and deadlines were super like
Ay,
strict,
bagay.
and
a
Yeah.
lot of politics, red
and a
tape.
lot of no offense. I won't say
Yeah,
it makes me sound like I'm a homophobe or what, but in the industry of media and film, you often have bosses who are um um what do you call this feminine, like,
More
and
yeah.
vibes.
More in touch of their feminine side.
yeah,
Yeah.
and no offense to them, but I really had the one bad experience with this producer. Then he was really demanding and was really
Like exploit
um
work. Ano?
exploit, and I just didn't love the environment, man. Like everything I go is like, it's
Oh
all
yeah.
about chismis and shit. You know
Oh,
that kind of
Yeah, yeah.
environment. Yeah.
Apa
TM,
yan ano eh?
that TMZ environment, something like
it
that.
TMZ?
it bur- it bur- it burnt me out, man. And plus the show that I'm editing at that time
Yeah.
is a fashion show.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
fashion show. It's like a Project Runway. It's Project
Mm.
Runway. It was like, what the hell? I get to face to this guy. That plus what I'm editing is not really that like. It was an experience though. It was not something I really loved
Oh,
doing,
gani.
but it was an experience. At least working in the prod house really like made me see like the layers and the process on how you do audio, from audio mastering, from offline editing, online editing, then graphics, then master editing. There's like ton of process, bro.
I hope you still continue, you know what I mean? Like
I do
Right.
it for fun now, but I run a business now, and
if it not works out, do it for your own sake.
yeah,
More
yeah, by
masayin ra ka ba?
yeah,
I mean,
by
childhood dream ba yan eh, to be an
it's
artist?
it's
Kayo.
really it's really sad, right? Like when like when you work as an intern or you work, you work for these
Oh.
companies, and then it just turns around your dream like
Oh, gani.
360. Like I'm so burned out. Like this is not what I had
Hindi
imagined. Like
matuloy lagi.
that happened for
Well,
me, man. Like I wanted to be a teacher. I also got burned out. Like the workload was too much for me, and I give up. You know,
Yeah.
just being a teacher.
yeah. Well, I still enjoy it. I still do it, but in a
That's
different way.
Teach. You're molding up.
You're
I
doing
think
this stuff, man.
Yeah.
You're making podcasts and stuff. That's great, diba? Like
Yeah. I never thought
it's our
me teaching
outlet,
in a
dude.
podcast, man.
It's our outlet. Actually, it's me and Mike's outlet, just
Yeah.
to like
Yeah.
all the stresses of life,
Totoo.
Pero tinood ba like kung going back, kung ipabalik ko sa time na if
Yeah.
going back to my roots of production
Yeah.
and shooting again, I'd do it again.
Oh
You know
yeah.
why? It's about my mindset. I was too immature during those times. I was like thinking of my pay all most of the time, and
Oh.
it wasn't the experience though. Like looking back, I enjoyed like, but maybe I was just jealous because my colleagues were getting bigger payments with the workload that I have. We have the same workload, but
Or they got
they were getting paid more than me.
Je- yeah.
That would
Envy
piss
and
me off. Yeah.
jealousy and insecurity, man. These sort of
No,
things
it's
that
not. It's
really
about
like.
it's not about being fair. Yeah, just something
Yeah,
like that.
it's the same thing. Like like
Yeah.
yeah, we want
Dude,
everything to be fair, but life is unfair.
I
Oh, yeah,
know.
man.
But looking
Never
back at that situation, it's all about the mindset. If I came there just to gain experience, not to think about the money, who knows where I'd be,
That's why. That's
Yeah.
why.
right?
100. Real. Just want to shout out. I know you know these guys right here in the
Oh yeah.
comment
Oh,
section. Kim.
I didn't notice. Yeah, Buskim. This is my friend, one of the smartest like mga friends, sad ba? Then
Shout
oh,
out.
Shout out, Smart
yeah.
Kim.
Shout out Kim
Yeah.
Gusila. Yeah. Then
And
also yeah, this
you got
Dave.
another
Yeah, my
guy.
friend. Yeah. Dave.
Hey.
Oh, this is the one. This is what I'm talking about. The director of my new video.
Oh.
I'll send you a snippet. Should I send
Yeah.
a
Nice.
snippet?
All right,
Yeah,
let's watch. Let's
send-
watch.
Wait,
Send
We,
us.
we want to watch we want to watch your work, Dave.
wait. Should I ask him first, or is it something like?
I mean, yeah,
This is
yeah,
the-
definitely. Hey, Dave,
Let's wait
is
for the
his stuff.
comment.
show us
Yeah.
your work, man.
No, I'm just gonna like send it to you. Like you can
Yeah.
send it to your friend, but
Can
not
we,
like
can we stream it here though, or no?
Oh,
No,
okay,
it's
no,
not
not
out
yet.
yet.
That's why-
I
It's
don't
not out
think
yet.
we can.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's
We'll
why,
we'll
ano ba?
We're gonna
Well,
watch it during
we'll-
during
we'll check it
after post the
we'll
show.
check it-
Yeah, we'll check
yeah,
it
we'll
out.
check it out backstage.
Backstage.
this one-
backstage.
I'll send in a bit. Is it alright? I'll send in a bit.
Sure,
no
sure.
props. No props.
Yeah.
Can we address a question here, guys? I'm sorry. I know
Yeah.
Real wants to talk already, but sorry, man. Like, we just want to address the guys to the comment section. So I guess again, this guy is very annoying. But anyway, love you to death, my guy. Tress. I don't know if I'm
Have you-
even asking this right question or if it makes sense. Have you thought of your visual identity on your music? Music these days are generally branded heavily. What is the picture visual you want to paint to someone's head listening to your music, except of course from the actual song and its lyrics? That was a long question. Come
It
on.
was a detailed question. It's a branding
Yeah.
question, man. It's a
All right.
branding question.
Take it away, real.
Yeah, we want to
Wait
listen,
lang,
man.
let me deeply read it. So originally branded heavy. What is that picture you want to paint to someone's head? I'm really like kanang murag, what do you call this, like pressured right now just to read something on screen ba.
No,
Like, can
no
you help me,
pressure,
like
man.
what does this mean? Like iba ko
Okay.
basa pero like the pressure go ba like
We'll
like,
just have
Okay,
to
I
ban this.
think
We'll just have to ban this guy from asking all these
oh no
questions.
no
no.
no,
I
it's fun.
think I think what he means is that like what do you want the listeners to think about when they listen to your brand? It's
Yeah.
something like that. What like if I say like if I say the word MC
MCREL.
real, what does what image does
What?
it bring to the
Yeah.
listeners?
What picture they paint in their head? You know.
Like example is like if you say Post Malone, what comes to your mind? Me,
A
I
cool
think
guy.
about
Yeah.
White guy
yeah.
who goes to mga parties nga exclusive
Then
for that people. Ana, di ba? Like cool guy.
yeah,
Ana lagi.
yeah.
But for me, I want to be like generally loved by the people, not just because of like my rap music. I want to let them know my more what's my intuition good, but like can they really like genuinely like me as a person. I don't care if they don't like the clothes I wear or something or just the stupid branding thing, but like I just want to sit down and talk. Like I just like the feeling of being loved and appreciated as an artist. Like no gay shit. Like more on akong purpose good. It's like I just want to be loved as a person, but not like generally like murag limited ra ka sa music. Music is
Yeah.
just my branding na lang to showcase myself. But me able to talk like this or want to share about our thoughts in ana gani, that's really my branding. Like people's first, that type of shit ba. You know what I mean? Like it'd be
Yeah.
cool. One of those dudes, J. Cole, good. Like fuck that guy. That guy's so cool. Good.
Oh,
Like,
What's popping?
you know what I mean?
the off season.
Nice.
Oh, gani. Nakalan, like it's not something I'm forcing myself to be him. But it's like it's cool, gani. Like it's not about his clothes or not something. He's still cool.
Yeah.
He went basketball for 3 days. After a while, but the point is, it's like
Yeah, he's real. That guy's real,
Yeah.
and
That's why,
he
pero like,
plays
it's like-
all instruments too. I like him.
respected gets ba. Like more ako, I want to be respected. I want to carve my name. That's it. I don't want to like have a competition here in Cebu and like kanang murag mas una ko ni niya. Fuck that shit.
Yeah.
We're gonna
That
go
mentality.
Why is that? Like everybody wants to be the first of everything. You know?
I don't know. I dili man ingon nga murag nga nakoy problem or ana. I just love the feeling Cebu. Imagine DJ Khaled having a shoot here in Cebu ba. More like it's like wow, it became something a legit place. Ana gani more na akong wish. I don't want to be something like kanang I'm the first guy who like whoever did this. Ana gani.
Yeah.
Like you know what I mean? Like come on man. Cebu is not the fight. It's still Western people, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Ooh, bring the fight to the West. I like this.
Yeah, all right. Like,
Di ba, like ano ba?
Elaborate, man.
Wala pa mo dagan fans good, pero like I really like want to share that thought good. I don't care if like mabash ka ana or like shit like that. I just want to share truthful from the heart ba. Nga, you know what I mean? The real fight is not here, you know what I mean? I just want to
Okay.
make music for fun or good ba. You know what I mean? But like whatever goes good. Like no, just make music. More na
Alright.
ako good. Yeah,
There
man.
you have it.
Nice.
It's the music, man.
Dili, wow, ko pinamahira. Share niya ko.
Of course,
Okay,
man.
right? Like by talking from your heart. Now, wait, I'm
Yeah.
curious ko ba? Curious ko. Like, you're saying that you want to talk. What's the real fight for you, man? What's the real fight? I'm curious about what you're fighting for your brand, for your music. You keep mentioning that there's nailahi na fight. Na curious naman ko ba eh.
It's more of like kanang, especially like the shit ongoing in my family. Like my mom's into politics, my brother's in
Alright.
business, like, stuff like that. Gani. I want to be
Ooh,
something
okay,
you know what I
okay.
mean? Without the help, but you know what I mean.
Oh,
I want
okay.
to be
love it.
something without the help. You know what I mean? You're living good, right? And you're doing like content creation, right? But like you're doing good stuff in life. I want to do that stuff too. Like ana gani, because in Cebu or like somewhere here down the road, like especially Philippines, kay they want you to be doctors, they want you to be engineers. More on fight crown. I'm in my
Okay,
early
okay.
20s, right? Like
Yeah.
yeah, more than maingon good. I want to be something, not the son of that one. You know what I mean? Like that type of stuff.
All right.
bro.
Okay. You want to make your own. You want to carve your own way.
I like
I
that,
wanna
man.
pave-
I wanna know more about the creative process of making time.
Usually like when you make songs, kay kanang Kaya na ko yung producer si KY Beats. He did my Running Wild. Like, dude, that guy's dope. Kenneth Yap
Oh,
ni siya.
okay.
Like, dugay,
Shout
me
out.
gini dugay na good. Grade 9 pa niya. Like, he's always there, like, helping me make music and stuff. Ganina. Naabot na nga point nga, we want to take it serious. I want to take it serious. Pero like, di mo na to. Running Wild happened, pero it was a 80 tries good. Like, we did like 80 like kanang beats. He did like 80 beats, pero murag, it felt like not right. You know, kato gamay sa mga pila ka beats, expression na ng 80 beats ha. But it's like somewhere close like 20 or 30, you know what I mean? Like sa murag,
Man.
daghan naging natapok ba?
Beats and 80 beats. So that's close to 808 beats. Like I'm
Oh, yeah.
lost here.
Oh no,
Like,
like
man,
instrumentals
this is-
ba? Like,
Oh, okay,
yeah.
cool.
Yeah, like he's making instrumentals gani, like siya may producer stuff. The mo ato nga time, Running Wild was a thing. Yan na released good. And then Time was created. Ana gani. It was like our second like thing going on ba. Yeah, random beat ra gito sa iyang mga gipanghatag na gani. Random ra gito siya sa folder. And that's like I felt it, like you know what I mean? Got a good hook.
Nice.
Not a good hook,
Nice.
but it's like something.
Yes, yeah, it does. I'm gonna show the video here. So if
Yeah, thank
ever
you.
he did this.
Nice animation, man.
Yeah. Na lazy lang ko dapit sa unahan. Kay na murag nagdali ko sa
okay.
release ba. You know what I mean? But it's not lazy, but you still felt it, you know what I mean? But it's
Yeah.
like murag yun nagdali na lang ka sa hype. You're scared your song might not be hyped. Ana gani. Pero it's not hype. It's still like almost 2,000 views. Pero like the point is there, I tried. It will grow bigger pag iba pohon.
Oh
Yes,
yeah,
Ana ba?
build off from
Keep those
this.
experience by kanang keep on doing those reps by
Mo
you'll
gani.
get better.
Oh, there it is. Time.
Yeah.
I just want to ask you, real, like when you time. I know you have a video of Time coming up soon. Is it gonna look like this?
No, it's no legit rapping. Like this, the one you saw in the roof. Then dagan gets elements, bro. Like we're gonna add
Okay.
VFX stuff. Since me and my
Oh.
girlfriend are like helping in this stuff, gani like sa kuan. So yeah, mo na akong ma-share gid ba nga. I'm really trying to promote my song as much as possible
Yeah.
nga. May nana gid siyang output gid like nagi VFXy stuff like you know what I mean?
Nice,
you know
nice.
the term. Yeah, diba? You know what I mean? It's like mga
Visual
animation
effects.
stuff. Oh, ana
And,
lang.
Ah.
and I think that will
Are
be
you
your
gonna
first
put-
song
Are you gonna
that
put
has
scribbles?
no animation.
Scribbles like anang kuan.
Like ano sa mga
depends.
like highlight. Okay, depends on the
Kay
depends on the shot.
ang murag
diba?
ang choy man karon bro kay kanang mga realistic ba elements gan. Usually Juice WRLD, you know Juice WRLD, right? Diba?
Yeah, rest in
Karon
peace.
recently. Yeah, rest in peace.
Really?
Man. One of the greatest.
Rest in peace.
Fucking rapped 1 hour straight. Diba? Kato freestyle. Check it out. 1 hour good lagi Eminem beats. Crazy. Bro, the point there is that it's like kana si Juice WRLD sa music video, lacking mag footage gani kay napass away naman siya tong time then.
Yeah.
What they
They had
contact
to-
like a
they had
animator
to make
named
up.
Tristan.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Tristan
So,
Zamet then.
so it's not Cole Bennett anymore.
Dili kay Cole Bennett is the director himself.
Yeah.
The music ana ba kanang director.
Oh,
gani.
okay.
Yeah, lahi sa to si Tristan Zamet. He did. You can search XXXTentacion like video.
He rest in peace, XXXTentacion. He also
Yeah.
died too, right? Like, what's
Oh
up
my
with
God.
this? What's up with these guys? Like, why? Like, is that a trend? Like, do they have to
I
like
don't know. I wish not. Like
go
like, it's
out
like,
early? Like, their lifespan is like 21 years old. Like, what?
ambot na sa daan na, gid, bro. Di ko katuba gana. It's very controversial. guys. It's not something.
Now that you mentioned Juice World and XXXTentacion, well, his name is so hard to say.
Yeah,
it-
X lang ana.
Trippy Red, Playboy Carti, are these your influences or something? Mac Miller.
It's more of like mo na ko influence pag 2017. Ana, gani.
Okay.
Mas pas
Who do
yung
you look
music
up?
karon, good.
Who do you look up to now, man?
I want to look back from my when I started making music. You look back to your roots ba. When I was pag 2016, I have this memory of me making music. It reminded me I was J. Cole, Chance the Rapper, mga inana gani like kid stuff. Like you want to go back like why you wanted to make music in the first place. You're not doing this for ass and tits or like for fans or stuff.
Yeah.
Well,
That's it.
I
Yeah.
just don't understand why, like, you know,
Gani, like-
hip hop and rap has to be like that, man. Look
That's
at
why-
Tyga.
Well-
Look at Tyga's videos, man.
Ila sad, bro.
They're
Ila sad.
all ass and-
Oh gani.
It
Ilasan
grabs
gusto.
attention.
Oh, ana gani. Ilang discard sad. So like I mean, if they can feed their family and stuff, like the people
Yeah, why
who
not?
like want whatever, let them do their thing. At least they're not harming people, but and we have our own ways. Ana na gani. Ala,
True.
right?
Thanks for that. You put me in perspective. Like we could do that too. Like, you know, that kind of genre always always sells.
we
but,
could
you
do
know,
like a ass and tits episode here in the
I
in the
wish,
huge upside.
I have
And-
No,
no,
no.
And
I'm
Tress
loyal.
agrees right here if you do
Oh
that.
no, that's very. But you know, not, but like, you know what I mean?
No, I mean like you gotta if it works, by like what Jake Paul, like what this Paul brothers are
Oh,
doing, dude. Like
look at these guys. Like,
they're like harvesting all this hate
why.
to get views, man, to
That's
get
why.
money.
yeah, it
I have a question.
works.
Do you felt like Mayweather liked the feeling when his hat was stolen? Murag, he liked
Yeah,
it
I
because
think
it also grabbed attention, diba?
Yeah,
it sold the fight, and
it sells.
do you think?
mo gani.
And then even Jake Paul faked a black eye afterwards.
Really?
You know, like,
No, dude, he got
Yeah.
punched, man. He got punched by the
shit.
bodyguard, dude.
it wasn't real.
Diba yung
He
clothes
It
faked
was
it.
real, dude. He got
Check it
punched.
out. Check
Dude,
it
the
out.
punch-
It's not
This is
real.
great
Dude,
right now.
I
This is great.
This
like
guy
I
is
saw the vid
guy-
like from all angles, dude.
this guy
Like,
is a hype. It's a
Pero-
hyper, man. It's a hype
it's
master
part of the
creator,
hype, dude. Man,
Yeah.
clothes was ripped
magpasumbag ko. Magpasumbag ko
Yeah.
para magka-views ta. Ana, like
Oh,
Man,
hindi na
these guys-
pagsabot, ana, dude.
It's just are we heading to this like world now? Like
Mogani
you
ka,
are
ano?
willing to do everything just to get there. I mean,
So,
I know I've done stuff like I wouldn't say I'm not really proud of, but I've done stuff for this podcast, just to
Yeah.
get us there. I'm not really proud of them, but yeah, I will do it. But those guys are another level. Are we heading there to that kind of world? Like you
I
got to
mean-
do like extreme stuff. Like look
Yeah,
at what
yeah.
Logan Paul did. Like he went to that forest and took a vlog out of
Ogani.
that guy committing
Pero-
suicide.
Yeah, na-cancelled si Ato. Like,
Yeah, he
it
did.
wasn't unheard of for 1 year. Like, and
Yeah,
balik na
but-
sa-
Yeah, impulsive, like one of the strongest podcast shows na ginawa niya,
That's
di ba, after the YouTube.
Yeah.
Anong, kuan kasi ba, like, smart.
Very creative kay siya ba. So like, kudos to them, man.
Mo
Galing
gani,
ng ginagawa
kumakaingon ka
nila.
ba, like, though he's hated, audience hate them, but us
it's part-
content creators, holy shit, he's making, what diba, like, inani gani, like, I wish I could be him, but not to the extreme nga murag. You know?
Ana na
Do you-
gid na level.
Don't you want to be the boxer side of him though? I see you
Oh,
do
no.
some shadow
I dili-
boxing in your
Wala
video,
na-
man.
no, it's just for fun, bro.
This
just
guy
for
does
fun.
boxing, by the way. Like, do you do box? Koi, yeah, he
Koi?
trains.
Alright. You, how many years, like, experience, Ana?
Nag-start ko by 2012, like 2012
Oh,
I
no.
started.
You're, like,
Yeah.
black belt already.
Dili oy yawa dili. Ano lang, like for sparring for fun, for experience.
Yeah.
Ana, ana,
And
ana,
he's,
yeah.
he likes to roll you too. Like, yeah,
Mga judo, like, what do you call that thing? Like,
MMA.
jiu-jitsu.
Yeah, jiu-jitsu, yeah. We after boxing ba itong nasumhan ako sa boxing after 5 years, nag-try na yun kung ana. Lahi po siya ba it's like it humbles you. Ang gwapo ana is like the discipline kasi it humbles you by abi nimo by masumbagan man ako ni sila kabalo na magud kong sumbag. Pero in jiu-jitsu it's a different game by. It's a more slow, patient. Hindi siya pwede mo explode yung kakalit ba kay mahurt imong ano ba energy block tas mo counter pa ka against ka sa body niya or Morgana the kapoy kay ba
It's more like an IQ game, right? Yeah, I mean, why not?
super IQ IQ game.
You do ball. Do you ball a lot earlier in your younger days, man?
Oh, varsity ko sa una, then I was a fail,
Nice.
but it's like, but it's like it's for fun, you know what I mean? Like you ball out, you play, like you work hard, but it's then you realize, umake passion. I want kay
You have the passion, but
yeah, the drive is there. Like you wake up like 6, practice, like kanang every day ka good. Like you do training and ana good. But at the end of the day, it's like, why would I waste time on this one? It's like you have to think realistic, realist at the same time, dream like a kid. You know what I mean? So like, what? I became a rapper. That's it. Then you stop lang.
I like this.
But
So you didn't have
fights.
those thoughts for like rapping at all. It just
I
came
didn't-
natural for you. Like, yeah, this is it. Like you just realized, like, this is for me.
Yeah, something like that. I was hella short
Love-
back then, so like it's
love
like
it.
it makes sense. You know what I mean? Like God give a call, but like quit that shit. Do this. instead.
Okay.
I like that, man.
But first,
Slap
let
you
go,
like,
you know what I mean? Yeah,
wake
like,
up,
it's like
boy.
yeah. More, I don't know, but it makes sense. Like you do this, then do that. So like trial and error stuff, bro.
Nice, yeah.
Fun.
I like that you
Still-
gotten over that, man. Like I have not gotten over my basketball journey. Like, yeah, I
Oh,
still have
can you share?
I still have like I have a hangover of that. Like I never made any team. Like but now it's like
you
I
really
still
ball good, like
a frustrated baller. like also a frustrated musician, frustrated in everything, and that's why I think this podcast is for me, man. Like this is where I just woke up one day and like hell yeah, I'm gonna do this. And,
Bro, you enjoyed, right? What matters?
who,
You enjoyed.
what ballin'?
No. Like though you may you have sleepless nights thinking about like I could have done this. But you wake up saying like, are you happy doing podcast though? Like, I'm not
Oh
gonna do it.
yeah,
Yeah,
dude.
boy.
Yeah,
I hope it-
Definitely.
like
Yeah.
I eat it for
Yeah,
breakfast,
Really?
lunch,
the
and
fun
dinner.
the fun thing about this is you get to talk to people like
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
different backgrounds, but and you get to learn a lot, and
That's why.
it's the good thing. Like now, by we're
yeah,
learning a lot from you. By like
yeah.
we
No, I should
salute
learn.
you.
Ano,
We salute by na ana na imong mindset at an early age because me and Mike
Like
going
we.
back on our 20s
Oh
by
my
fuck
god, no, man, this was never us.
entitlement entitled, bro.
Yeah,
Like
like we
super
thought
entitled.
like I'm too good for that. Like I'm not dili ko magpapagag dagoy. That's so low of
Yeah,
me. Like yeah, no.
Shit.
like banga man na sila. Like ana na mindset ba?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
pangit
you're
man
right,
na
bro.
sila.
We were. I really felt entitled
Super,
back then.
yeah, it was our. Maybe it's because maybe if we had the technology before, if we had all of this during our time,
Oh,
or if we grew up in this era, it would be different.
I think we have the luxury to say that now because we're
Yeah,
older and we're wiser, man. But
yeah,
if we
yeah.
were in this time right now at Real's age, I don't know. Who knows?
I prefer back then, good. TBH, kay.
Really?
You listen to music
He's convulsing. He's convulsing. We're gonna have to shock him. We're gonna have to shock him.
like
Yeah,
every
but-
day grade 7.
Yeah.
I don't listen to other Eminem song, good. Only LP. Like atong Slim Shady LP niya ba? Tuging
May katong yes, Slim Shady.
Unless
Yeah.
sakyanan,
Marshall
ganyan,
Matters
yung-
pag yun siya.
Yeah.
Itong Marshall
No,
Matters pag yun siya.
alter ego niya ba? No, the point there is it's like you get to listen to that song. Like
By-
those stuff gani 2 months.
Fucking
diba? Like,
crazy. That's an
Ano,
art.
fun ba?
Gabi siya ka maayo bay.
freaking feeling good, bro. No, like I was
Yeah.
young and you guys were like living on your 20s na gani. I was like 2011, but like listening to it every day going to school, like listening to your phone every day, good 5 months straight. Like you know feeling kay karon. There's a new playlist, there's a new song, there's a new song, there's a new song, there's a new song. This
Discover
keeps
Weekly.
going, bro.
Discover
Before
Weekly.
it's like
Yeah, but
oh shit. Like it's like to listen to the song, good, it hits you. You listen to Brain Damage, like you never had a bully, good, but like it feels like now you get bully sa song, because it talks about a bully, like
angry
yeah, Brain
case,
Damage,
bay.
Eminem, ba. You feel it ba? Because long span man good imong kuan good sa song ba, like relationship with the song ba. Right now, you listen to a song one day,
Still,
right?
it still hits you way
Ooh.
the way it hit you back then.
Just don't give a fuck. That's my favorite good.
That one.
You know that just don't give a fuck, like the Eminem. Like dude, Eminem was running MTVs at this time. Like, kanang siya gitag iya gid ba? Remember those times? Like it was fun.
Oh,
Like though I was still in my dad's balls, but like it's like I can feel like back then ba.
Dad's
Yeah,
balls.
I like that
Like
reference
that.
there.
Yeah, kay
Yeah.
good sa una good. Minimal raman ang artist good mo pop gid sa una, like it's either Britney Spears, Eminem. That's it. Right
Oh,
now,
yeah.
like so many right now, but and it gives
Super
it makes you
dami, dude. Like,
insecure
many.
ka as an artist ba, like oh he's better than me. I don't know. But back then it was more harder to chase kay. Right now you can create your own fans. Pero
Yeah.
like your attention span maybe. I did a shoot in the roof. I'm scared like I'm gonna jump off the roof just to create content pa gid ba.
okay,
You know what I mean?
okay.
You're scared
Yeah.
of the content ba? Right?
Usually when you do a collab, you say, let's say that song Forever. Like you got Lil Wayne and then Drake and then M.
Kanye.
Was Kanye in that song?
Really,
Yeah,
yeah.
si
Yeah.
Kanye is the one. The part that I stuck my dick inside that bitch until that bitch came.
Oh, I think
I'll make
yeah,
it rain all
very-
spring.
very
Right.
bad words, but yeah.
Oh,
That order, like the guy who gets to drop his bars last. Do you think he's the main attraction for that song?
by just watch the live version of that,
Yeah.
and when it was Eminem's turn, all the people from the Grammys stood up.
Make some noise for the greatest rapper to ever get on a motherfucking microphone. He goes by the name of Eminem. Legendary shit tonight.
Oh. Goat.
Standing
Talk about
ovation.
talk about the goat of his time. Right?
Goat of his time. 2010 yan, dude. Like it's
Long
2010.
story. Where was we? Where were
Real.
we?
Like
Sorry.
yeah,
We were talking about the sequence of the raps, right? Like in
yeah.
that song Forever, where Eminem was the last one to rap, right? Meaning,
Oh,
does it mean if you rap
Murag,
the last ikaw ang main event? Is it
Yeah,
is it
are you the
is it
main
that?
attraction of that song?
kay applicable gina sa karon gid bro recently kay. I
Really?
I mean I'm just 20 like please don't attack me with like kind of it's like
Don't
I
worry.
really
That
know
don't
the rap
exist
game
here,
diba?
man.
Like I'm really sorry. Pero like yeah, it still exists right now. There's a recent rapper right now kay si Polo G. Yeah, nasa a song with another rapper again that ang last gid si Lil Wayne. So that means
Oh,
it's kind of
okay.
like respecting the legend
The
himself ba.
goats.
Usually Lil Wayne right now mo pop off gina siya sa mga new songs right now.
Mhm.
Hapit gid siya kinalasan gid.
Same like Drake now, right? Like in future songs, he gets to be
I
the last part, and in Travis Scott
usually
songs, yeah, he's in the last part.
usually Anna, but like Drake is a chorus boy. Like
He's a
really
chorus
like
boy.
hook,
Oh,
hook
okay.
maestro good like Anna good.
Hook
Yeah, that's the thing.
Maestro, tinuod so, kaayo.
Uh,
There's this track I loved about Drake sa anong album niya yung kanang na I Am a Legend. Ganahan kay ko ato bay katong I'm a Legend na song niya kanang
most of it.
If I Die I'm a Legend. Oh my
Um,
God, oh my God, if
yeah,
I die I'm a legend.
mo katong time na controversial siya nga like
Bay,
dili
oh,
siya
katong
ghostwriter.
gi-release niya kalit. Oh,
Yeah,
basta kato siya na
like
album. Crazy kito.
yeah, it's really dope. Pero mo tong time nagpagaygahi siya because he was a
Yeah.
lover boy Frank Ocean type of dude before, you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Tas
Like
kani
kanang
kay
lover
Murag,
boy
angry
ba?
kay siya.
Oh,
Na siya yung mga angry na mga ano ba. Tas
that's why.
ang thing talking back sa sinabi niya, we were talking about the rappers dying early. He was like singing this track, then like sabi niya, if I die now, I'm a legend. Sige siya balik-balik. Oh my
It
God,
makes
if I
sense.
die, I'm a legend. Ano
Pero
siya?
ikaw bro, like if I put you in a perspective of a rapper, ikaw kuno be. Koy, like would you
Oh.
love that feeling like you want to die as a legend? Like
I wouldn't feel it, dude, because I'm dead. Like
that's right. Di ba?
yeah.
he wants to live this life like he's already
Yeah,
a legend.
sabi nga niya like pag mamatay ako ngayon kasi feeling niya siguro peak niya. Like ito na yung
Yeah.
peak ko. If I
Yeah,
die, I'm a legend.
that's
Oh my
that's when they
God.
usually cut people
Ay,
off, like when they're legends, right?
oh.
Yeah. But yeah, I have another point. Pero yeah, let's still continue this one. But like,
Yeah.
yeah, let's be realistic. But like, the only time you can really feel a legend is when you feel alive. You can take a shower, you can do this stuff, human stuff. But you know what I mean? But it's like when you die, who the fuck give a shit about you? Like, yeah, rest in peace, Kobe. Rest in peace, man. Mga
Yeah,
legends.
Yeah.
you would matter for like a week, a
I mean,
month,
you can still.
yeah, and then
everyone,
life
like,
moves on.
mo gani, like,
Life
na-
moves on, dude. Yeah.
That's why na mo graffiti nimo nga inana rest in peace like stuff pero like the point is there like kanang you only live for like that ample amount of time gani and I feel like mao ginay time nga legend gid ka. And like speaking of which like nako yung murag ma-share sa ba especially itong time ni Eminem like people should have people ready like and he said niingon gid sila gid nga Eminem should have just like stopped making music like pag
What?
2018 above 2018 kay dili nam daw yan time daw something like that. I mean you heard about the controversy stuff right diba?
MGK, diba? They did like this track with
Okay.
yung bay, diba?
Yeah. Basta,
And the one with Juice World Godzilla.
pero
Yeah.
true ito siya. It
Who's
helped
making?
him like kanang connect with the younger generation kay nabash man siya sa mga younger
Yeah,
generation.
in TikTok they're trying to cancel him.
Cancel lagi. Like,
yeah,
instead of
what?
stop making
Like,
music na lang. Dude, they don't know
hell?
Eminem like 2000
You don't-
early 2000s diba? Like
Go back to your dad's
Dude,
balls
you know what I mean?
or something like. the
Mono
hell?
maingon giba. Eminem really started everything. He was literally the Lil Pump and people are saying like kanang you should have stopped making music na lang gani. You were a legend if you stopped making
Yeah.
music, diba? Like that was your peak. You should have just stopped making music. Pero for me, he's retired. He can do anything he wants. He can make a music and still earn money, diba? Like
Yeah, just like what Mayweather's doing, like retired
bunny,
but
like,
still connecting with the youth,
Pero-
like not boxers but YouTubers expanding his reach, man. Like whoa.
Yeah, just to make him
And-
relevant. Like, bright kayo.
Yeah.
Bright kayo.
that's why.
And I kind of
And
feel
al-
like that's what we're doing here. Like, you know, we're trying to stay
Yeah, we're
relevant
reaching out.
by connecting with MCREL and all these young guns, man.
no,
Up and
I'm
coming
not
young
that-
guns.
I'm not that gone, pero like yeah, that's a point. Like it's cool we connect. Like kind of.
Can we address some questions here? Okay, Ana ang nag-ask na panos na daw.
It's a,
Alright.
ako like, basa. How was the experience like doing the music video? I mean, it's really fun, great because you're doing what like you want. What do you want to tell other people are holding back on doing things they like, adjusting the daily get. I don't know. I mean, how old are you, man? Like, I'm sorry you're asking someone like 20 but like, I mean, this is a disgrace for me because I'm really young. Like, I don't really have that much experience in this world. But then, if you wanna like learn the perspective of like things like this, yeah, nakoy hold bucks goodbye. Like, I'm really get scared, guy. I really get anxious because like, especially when you grow up in school, like kanang like kanang murag school or game community, but like what if I release this music? What if those people don't like my music? Pero it's like I'm done with school. Like it's gonna be a school. Wala na ba? Like it gave me a training ground. Getting like I don't give a shit, and I have people who likes my shit, and I have people nga who appreciates my shit, and I have a director nga who appreciates my shit, diba? So like you just stay with people who keeps you moving, ba? You know what I mean? Am I there?
Yeah.
Yeah, more man. I mean, this podcast thing won't happen if Corey
Yeah.
can be with Mikael. You know what I mean? Like, it's
Yeah, definitely. I can't go
fun,
on
you know
without
what I
this
mean?
guy, man.
That's
Yeah,
why.
we
Like,
would likewise with this guy.
I mean, also Tress. You guys won't continue if Tress won't keep on like messaging. diba? Like,
Asking. Yeah.
Yeah.
Respect,
all
Trez.
the stuff
Like,
ba?
thank,
What do
thank
you
you very much, man.
That's right.
Come
How
on,
do you think Mikael
Trez.
continue, diba?
Get our brains worked up or something. Go easy on
right.
us, man. Like,
Yeah, like, kanang TBH, bro. I miss really. It's like a very corny statement, na, pero like, yeah, I really
Okay.
miss the old Kanye, like the old Kanye, good guy.
The graduation Kanye.
Gwapo gito siya music. Now we go ni share
Yeah.
kanang about the kanang kanang good. You know the song Good Morning, right?
yeah, good morning.
Yeah. Look at this melody story and scared to death. Something blah 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 blah. Right? I don't know. I forgot the lyrics, but the point is like, what do you have to reach something like you have another path in life or like inana gani? Like it's like he's helping us realize gid ba nga you know what I mean? Like we have other passions in life, but imo to si
Yeah.
Kanye gid like wow, it gave me an idea ba nga some people don't really pass in class. You know what I mean? It's like, dude, Kanye was a musical genius na inana gani. And it's like ni pave way gid sigid. He created music about that stuff nga you should wake up. You should wake up about nana gani nga this is not reality for you. Your reality is really doing art. We're like spiders, you know what I mean? We create webs.
Right.
We don't do 9 to 5,
Right.
you know what I mean?
Galing.
Like,
Yeah.
Like
grabe
out
gid si Kanye
off
gid.
grid, like not your not linear one, like not your
Okay.
standard, not your norm. I like that. I
Gid
mean,
is Kanye, but
as
honest.
an artist, you do have that kind of path. Like it's
Yeah,
not
crazy ba,
standard.
crazy
It's deviated, man.
HP
Like,
stuff ba? HP stuff. It's
yeah.
cool.
Like
Yeah.
this is what I can say. Like ASP is really talented,
Yeah.
but like the artist appreciate his music. Artists
Underrated
appreciate collaborating with him.
And he works like he works like gagahin kay siya tracks ba he keeps on like making music,
Yes.
dude.
Yes.
The reps.
Okay. Lingaw-lingaw ra donde, kalingawan na puntis. Bugoy-bugoy ni nga Paulo Puntis. Kunakas DVT baligya bupis. Kunakas TV shutdown ABS as
Mutana because yung freestyles biya. Like asa ko na I remember it somewhere, not specifically, pero he freestyles really really good. Like anang kaya talagi like bars gig kaya lagi like it makes sense, you know what I mean? He talks about life and stuff and like about like anang your struggles and stuff like man this
Yeah.
guy like you know what I mean? Like,
Stoic stuff.
By yeah. We had him from the show before by Grabe
Yeah.
Gayo. We learned a lot from him.
that's why.
A lot, and we're learning a lot from MCREL right now. We
course.
talk about this brother is young, man. I would
Yes, this young gun.
never have I imagined to be in that kind of shoes when I was in 21. Is that like when you're this young, man? Do you have to hustle this hard?
No, it's more of the peer pressure for you, ba? Kaya it's like you really wanna carve your name so bad, then do
Right.
it. You know what I mean? It's like I'm not doing this like because like my peers want me to or like everything's slowing down. It's like tap na ko bang you're supposed to do this. You know what I mean? What are you doing? Why are you wasting life?
Nice.
You're
You got
failed
your
in school.
drive.
You're failed in this stuff. Do this. You know what I mean? Murag ana gani like why murag mo akong gingon giba like I have no turn backs. Like this is really the path I'm gonna go. You know what I mean? Like,
Nice.
Damn.
Like, Mana ba? If what keeps me sane, ana gani.
Especially now, like
That's why.
what do you have in Cebu right now? Do you have a MECQ? or basically it's back normal
Lambot
again.
lang, wala okay idea, especially like I rarely
Oh,
go out
and
with-
that's the effect of like being into your
Yeah.
process, right? Like making process, like you have no update whatsoever what goes on in the world right now. Like
That's why.
I'm just so caught up with making the video for time, man. Like
That's why.
I don't
Yeah.
know what's going on in the world.
I'm focusing on my own shit.
Oh,
Respect.
Bahala mo diya kung saan yung tripping diya.
mo gani.
Like,
And it keeps you off this
basic
net. And it keeps you off this like banters about what goes on in Twitter, what
Organic.
goes on in social media. Everybody's fighting
Guys,
off each other right now. Like
everyone's toxic. Everything, even the memes are toxic by it. You know what?
Oh,
Napansin ko,
yeah.
even in basketball, like one game Paul
Organic.
George doesn't perform. Like
Madlook
super
talaga.
memes na dayon by like
Yes.
playoff P
That's why.
shit, something, you know.
Yeah, ma-anxious because yeah, like why am I doing this? I'm not even paid well yet. Like as a content creator, you know what I mean? Like I should have just stopped. Pero like wala pang ko ka-reach na nga point. Let's see, you know what I mean? Like if we get there and I get bashed, and it's more of a question na lang bang should I continue or like na gani? Or the pay is good, then I get hated or whatever. Like I'm being
So?
just being real. Fuck it, you know what I mean? Like
Yeah,
I'll just
bay.
be me ra good. Like at least I'm
Be
not
you
harming
good.
anyone. Mo gani, di ba?
Nah, mo na siya.
Wala akong ma-share good.
Let's say like 2 years from now, let's say 2 years from now that we're looking in the future, but you explode to the scene, like grabe good.
Oh.
Let's say you explode to the scene by, then people start to bash you. How would you think you would handle it?
Good
Yeah.
for them. Good for them. Cause like, Dili, I'm not famous. I'm not famous. I said to my 16-year-old self, 2 years later you'll be famous. When I was 18, 2 years later you'll be famous. Then ana gani. I don't
Yeah.
want to think that shit already. Like, murag, I don't want to think it's a race, ba. Like, eventually you'll get there if you just hustle, gani. But if I ever reach that point, kanagi haters, good for them. They're helping me make money. Pero
It's part of the
level,
game.
level get attention and respect said, but like you don't want to be so attention. Like you want to do this, kay attention okay ka. But it's like I want the respect. Respect like ana magpatupi ka like dude the guy knows you but it's
Yeah.
like di ka mabash ba parang Marlo like ana gani it
Yeah,
scares you.
Marlo.
You know what I mean?
Respect
Like,
Marlo.
those type of stuff ba.
I noticed that, man. Real like that word respect got
Yeah.
dropped on this segment like 5, 4, 6 times already. So
What's
are you
with it?
getting are you getting some?
As of now currently kanang no wala mo ko ni measure ng how much respect do I need pero sa una good bro mahadlok igo sa una good real talk lang kanang like I'm not getting attention by the people especially in Cebu mo push me go to sa una with my manager and stuff like it was really great back then pero karon gani like it's like I need to cut it off like it's like no ni restart ko ba then it's like where's my attention sa Facebook where's my attention sa Instagram where's my attention mo na pag-realize ako ba may mo like sa akong MCREL page. But then I realized slowly there were 2 people liking, 3 people liking. It kept going. Then 10 people. Then I know those 10 people. I can name those 10 people who keep recently
Or
liking.
organic?
Yeah, 10 is enough. They can go to my concert. Then it became 20. Then I'm happy na good nga 70 people liked my shit na good. I mean, I'm just a small guy na good. Especially Cebu, it's very compact, tight.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Everybody knows each other.
Everybody knows each other.
You know,
the
like
numbers-
Sound of the South.
that the stories circulate. You know,
Oh,
gana
ana, di ba?
kadali.
Ana nga tabi ba? So like, yeah. So like, right now, nana ko yung consistent people nga, at least 30 people will like. And I'm happy for it. And I'm not scared to share content about that stuff. And yes, na-respected na ko sa 30 people. But will it feed me money or like, ana soon? Not yet. But it's like, right now, I'm happy. There's people listening to my shit. You know what I mean?
I just want to address the guy again. This guy again. Keep pestering us. There's no such thing as good or bad publicity daw matod Panila. Mas makatabang pa na nga ma-relevant ka. Haha. Agree kay kung MCREL. As long as you get paid, rewarded, then that's it. Take
Yeah.
the good and the bad. Yeah, it's true, man. That's the only fact you said out here. Samok lang skuteri.
Ay, yes.
Love, man. Love you to death, Tres. Seriously.
Yeah. But yeah, ano eh? Nalipay na ko ba yung like sa akong MCREL page yun. Before I get so anxious, only 2 people show up, 1 people show up. Like, murag ma-anxious ko ba? Like, should I post this? Maybe like, inana? But now, like, people are like appreciating me. At least like 10 people, 20 people, that's fucking enough. And it will grow bigger, di ba? Hinahinay lang ka ba? Moro nang gikuan gid as content creator gid.
Ang importante kay consistent pa eh. More
Consistent
good.
lagi ba?
Consistent
Di ka
good pa eh.
dili
Show up.
anong imo kagkalit ba nga? I can't record, I can't stream, or I can't like make music now because well yeah, you really have to do this like it's like an everyday job.
We like your company, man. It's nice to have
Bye.
Chris, someone who's
It's
younger,
awesome to have
coming
you,
to the
dude. Like,
show.
Thank you, man.
Like
Pero
really, we always wanted to connect with the young gens. Like I really cherish this conversations because we need to have these conversations. There's a big disconnect between the young gens and the old gens. Like I as a millennial really feel like life is unfair for us because we don't have these tools, and I also feel like you guys are very lucky, and it's good that you are clearing some things out in the air, that you also have other challenges too that I don't
true.
think our generation could have
Dili man.
handled. So
Yeah.
like I like this open line of communication between us generations. It connects
Right.
us. I love it. This is what we need more often.
That's
yeah, we
um
need this by kanang we need this like open like like MCREL is right, like fuck, it's not about the age, it's about how you connect to an individual. Talk to you as a
True.
person, talk to me as my person. I
Yes.
deserve my respect, man. Like LBJ. Just kidding.
Diba, I mentioned like the music video thing upcoming. Yeah, me and I'm as I mentioned here, the dude, this Dave Domingo, that's the director himself, and like Murag, just wait for it. Like, kanang, let's see how it goes, and like the people who are in it is Koan, si Kent Parsinas. I just want to shout out, like it's like it gives you know what I mean? And Gianna Lindagan, that's my
Yeah.
girlfriend, and yeah, and there's a lot of people involved, like especially my friend Kiki. Just shout out, and Mona, I just want to like promote this song and then the music
Yes.
video, and just stay tuned. That's it. Yo.
Yeah. We all love that co-signer,
Can't wait.
co-shout out. Yeah, man, can't wait. And before we end this show, MC Real, we have a signature question on this show, and nobody is exempted, man.
That's right.
So better be ready, bro.
Wait,
Ta-da!
what is your huge upside? I thought it was gonna be something like very controversial. Like I gotta
No, we're not about that.
Wait,
I love the banners,
Can you-
man. Like, good
Yeah.
job.
Break. yeah, it can be anything. No, it's more of like no. I think of it as a. I don't think of it as a like a direction or shape or something that's very literal. I think of it something like perspectives, ba. It's the huge upside of it, ba. Like MCREL, you never knew nga this guy could be like this, someone who can talk, because you only listen to him as music ra ba, di ba? But this one of my first podcasts, gani nga murag, you can really interact with me because you only see me making music, ana gani, or you. I only see you doing contents katong ka A-Spear stuff, but then I
Yeah.
get a touch with you, listening to you like personal right now. We're not connected, we're not saying high five or stuff, but it's like we're connecting right now. And also Koi, I learned him. It's like that's his huge upside. Like I was listening on Murag. It's like, we learned a lot. You know what I mean? Yeah, good job. But yeah, that's the point. But that's the huge upside of things. It's not for me, but it's for everyone. We listen to each other's perspective. Yes, sir.
Nice. Perspectives. I
Perspective.
love. That's a
And
keyword. That's a
you
keyword.
changed my perspective, man. So like, you make the Gen Zs look cool to me, all the way much cooler to me now. Like,
No, that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
man, thank you.
I'm not the
Thank you so
representative,
much.
man. Like I'm just.
Mike's making you the representative, Bray.
Yeah, man.
What's the guy, man?
Man, he's one of the few that we're gonna get. We're gonna
Yeah.
be getting on the show, and
I hope I can drop
it's
by again. I know.
yeah, by of course, by we'll invite
Thanks,
you soon
man.
for sure. We're gonna talk about OPR more. Yeah.
Yeah, all
Yes,
of it. Definitely.
yes.
That's a good
Thank
one.
you, MC Real, and there you have it.
Real.
Video of time coming up soon.
Dave, shout out Tress, shout out to all the ones who dropped in their comments, man.
Yep. Thank you so much, guys. And we're about to end this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Love our videos? Please click the like button or hit subscribe. This is the huge upside.